Belinda, Chainmail Architectural Mesh, beautiful product. How does it go for a privacy screen?
It goes very well for a privacy screen actually. The way you install it depends on the different levels of privacy you're going to get from it. So you can have quite strong block out, or you can sort of minimise the block out depending on what you're trying to, I suppose, achieve in your project. Another good thing when you're looking at options, because we tend to put your timber slats and your perforated metal, and there's a different whole thought process to the way these guys come together to when you're working with those products. One thing we've done with a lot of our residential clients is been quite surprised at the excitement of the softness it adds to their facade of their home. Generally these other products we use are quite hard, and this adds a shimmer and a softness that you just can't get in other products.
No, absolutely. And the colour range is very broad, isn't it?
It is. Be mindful though when we're working for our exteriors that we're sticking to our solid colours.
Yeah.
They're the ones that are the best performers for the exterior sort of application.
Good tip. If you're looking for a privacy screen option, Chainmail Architectural Mesh by Oztron Surfaces.